Transform your Discord server's look from basic to brilliant with a custom server banner, right from your phone. First, open your Discord app on your mobile device and navigate to the server you want to customize. Tap on the server's name at the top left corner to open the server menu. From the server menu, find and tap on Server Settings. This will take you to the main configuration page for your server. Within Server Settings, scroll down until you see the Overview section here. You'll find an option labeled Server Banner. Tap on Upload Banner. This will open your phone's photo gallery or file manager, allowing you to choose the image you want to use. Browse through your photos and select the perfect banner image. Remember, a good banner is visually appealing and represents your community well. Discord recommends a minimum resolution of 960 x 540 pixels for optimal display. Once you've selected your image, Discord will show you a preview. You can adjust the positioning to get it just right when you're happy with how it looks. Tap on Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. And just like that, your custom Discord server banner is live. This is a fantastic way to personalize your community, reinforce your brand, and make your server instantly recognizable to members and visitors alike. Start personalizing your Discord experience today.